Good afternoon, sir. My name is B. Sindhu. My roll number is 23011P0150. I am from Civil IDP. Today's topic is MCCB and types of wires and cables. So, MCCB stands for Molded Case Circuit Breaker. So, it is an electrical protection device which is used to protect the circuit from the excess current. The breaker are used instead of overload and short circuit. When the current rating up to 2500 amperes, MCCBs can be used in a wide range of voltage and circuit breakers, MCBs, in the large scale PV system for the isolated process. So this is used for the MCB is used for overloaded protection and electric fault protection against short circuits and current and electrical switches for disconnection. So how does a MCCB works? It detects the excess current flow in the circuit. It interrupts the current to prevent damage in the current and equipment. It has a magnetic element that senses a sudden increase in the current density. It is used as thermal magnetic tip mechanism to detect the short circuits. It generates a magnetic force that opens the contacts rapidly, disconnecting the fault circuit. MCCB contains solenoid coil in the short circuit, which is based on the electromagnetic principles. A wide range of current starts to flow through the solenoid in the time of the short circuit, creating a short electromagnetic fields. Hence, it is attached the bar tip and finally opens the current contact. So, advantages and disadvantages of MCCB. So, advantages: MCCB consists of an adjustable tip that can be used for low and large currents. MCCB can be interrupt large currents initially and can handle large amount of currents. MCCB has a little rip as it switches quickly whenever faulting time or a short circuit occurs. MCCB offers remote switches where it has on and off features. The concept and small in such easier to the handle, and it is more advanced than MCB. So the disadvantages of MCCB are: it has limited applications in domestic and special areas and small scale industrial areas. Molded case circuit breaker can't be used in high voltage industrial areas. So the applications of MCCB is: MCCB has a high current voltage capacity as well as adjusting tip establishing capacity. In this aspect, it can be used in lower current as well as higher current settings. MCCB is also used for welding machines, as the machine creates a large amount of current in the MCB in which MCB can't tackle. MCCB is also used to protect current generators. It is also used when the load current exceeds the limit of MCB. Next, the topic is wire. A wire is a single electrical conductor typically made of copper and aluminium. So there are um, 5 types of wires. First one is VIR, TRS, PVC, flexible wires, lead alloy sheeted wires. First one, VIR. VIR stands for vacuumized Indian rubber wire, which it is mainly consists of tin conductor having rubber coating. Tinning of conductor prevents the sticking of rubber to the conductor. Thickness of the rubber mainly depends on the opening voltage to which wire is designed. A cotton bedding is done over the rubber insulation to protect the conductor against the moisture. Finally, the wire is finished with the wax of cleanliness, as we can see in the picture VIR. Next one, TRS. TRS stands for tough rubber sheeted wire. This type of wire is modified of VIR wire. It consists of ordinary rubber coated conductor with an additional sheet at the top at the tough rubber. This layer provides better protection against the moisture and wear and tear. These wires are generally available in single conductor, 2 conductor and 3 conductor. Next one, PVC, polyvinyl chloride wires. These are the most commonly used wires in wiring purpose. Conductors conductor is insulated by polyvinyl chloride. Insulating material. PVC has the following properties: moisture proof, durability, and chemically insert. You can see the image of PVC. Next one, lead alloy sheeted wires. The ordinary wires can be used only in dry places, but for damp places these wires are covered with continuous lead sheets. The layer of lead covering is very thin, like 0.2 centimeters thick. Next type of wire is flexible wires. These wires consist of number of strands instead of a single conductor. The conductor is insulated to PVC material. These wires are very useful for household appliances where flexible wire is more important. Next topic is cables. A cable is assembly of two or more electrical conductors usually held together with an overall sheath. The assembly is used to transmit the electrical powers. We can see the general construction of the cable. It consists of core, insulation, metallic sheet, bending, and serving. So there are mostly 5 types of cables, but uh, now we are going to discuss about 3 types of cables, that is belted cable, screen type cable, and gas pressure cables. So firstly, the belted cables. These cables are used for voltage level up to 11 kV. The cores are not in a circular shape. The core is insulated from each other by using the paper. The belt is covered with the lead sheet, as we can see in the figure. Next one, screen type of cables. The cables are used for the voltage levels of 22 kV. The 2 types of screen cables are H type cables and SL type cables. You can see the screen type cables in the down figure. Next one is the gas pressure cables. An inert gas like N at high pressure is introduced, lead sheet and dielectric. Gas like SF6 is also used in the cables. Pressure is about 12 to 15 atmospheric. As we can see the image of the gas pressure cable. Thank you.